Welcome to the spoken tutorial on creating new commands in LaTeX. This tutorial will help the learners to create or define new commands to get customized output, redefine the existing commands. To follow this tutorial, you should have knowledge of commands that are necessary to create a document in LaTeX. You should also have knowledge of compiling and producing a PDF output in LaTeX. If not, please go through the relevant LaTeX spoken tutorials on this website. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 14.04 operating system, TeXworks version 0.5. We all know that commands are special words that are provided to the compiler. Commands start with the backslash and sometimes accept parameters. Example, no indent, textbf, centering. We can define our own custom commands in LaTeX to save time or for the code to look cleaner. Ensure that the custom command you create is not an already existing LaTeX command. To define a new command, we write backslash new command, command within curly braces, definition within curly braces at the beginning of the document. Let us open the TeXworks editor. Pause the tutorial at this point. Download and unzip the files provided in the code files link below the player. You will see some LaTeX code given in the file newcom.tex that you downloaded onto your machine. We will copy and paste the first block of code from this file into our newly opened TeX file. Let's try to understand the program. The definition backslash new command slash /bbr slash mathbb r means that the bbr is the new command, and when used it will typeset r in mathbb font. Note that the required packages are loaded in the preamble. In this case, use package AMS fonts. So instead of mathbbr, we can use /bbr within dollars while typesetting. Let us save the file as newcom.tex. On compilation, we get the PDF output. Observe the letter R in mathbb font. Now we will see new command with parameters. It is typically defined as backslash new command, command within curly braces, parameters in square bracket, definition within curly braces. Let us open a new file in TeXworks. Now switch to our downloaded code file. We will copy the next block of code from our downloaded code file and paste it into our new TeX file. Let us understand the code now. We have backslash new command slash /bb 1 mathbb #1 before the begin document statement. Here /bb is the command. 1 means that the command has one parameter. Mathbb #1 defines the command. #1 means the first parameter. Carefully observe the usage after begin document. We use it within dollars because it contains math symbols. /bb followed by open brace and parameter, and again we close the brace. We have used it twice with R as the parameter in the first usage and Z as the parameter in the second usage. Save the program as new com p1.tex and compile it. In the output, observe that R and Z are in the MathBB or Blackboard font. Next, let's define a new command with two parameters. Open a new text file. We will copy and paste the next block of code from our downloaded file as shown here. Observe the line new command add to left open parenthesis #1 plus #2 right close parenthesis in the document. This has been used as /add abc xyz. Here in the definition, /add is the new command. To indicates that it has two parameters. Left #1 plus #2 right is the definition of the command. #1 for the first parameter and #2 for the second parameter. #1 and #2 are replaced by the actual text ABC and XYZ in this case. Let us save as new com p2.tex and compile the tex file. Observe the output. Here the left and right parentheses are added and a plus symbol is introduced between the first and second parameters. Let us now learn about the renew command. Renew command is used to change or override the existing command. The syntax for renew command is \renew command, command within curly braces, definition within curly braces. It is quite similar to new command. Once again, we will open a new tex file. We will copy and paste the last block of code from our downloaded file into our newly opened tex file. Let us understand the program now. The definition renew command /s mathcal s redefines /s. /s normally produces the section symbol, whereas after redefining /s produces s in calligraphic font. Note that the required package AMS Math is preloaded. Also, we use /s within dollar symbols. Let us now save the file as renew.tex and compile it and see the output. We can see S in calligraphic font. Come back to the tex file. Note that replacing Z for S in the renew command does not work. This is because there is no existing command defined as /z. Please use renew command only when you are very sure about what you are doing. To summarize, we have learnt new command with parameters, renew command. Assignment: create a new command text BFIT which will convert the given text into bold and italics. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials and gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to us. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by the NMEICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at this link. This is Ambika Vanchanathan signing off. Thanks for joining.